Nose to nose with a 7-3.
Richland area traffic, 74 Golf X-ray turning base runway, or turning crosswind runway 19 Richland.
Richland, this is Guy 425 Papa, we're crossing runway 826 at Alpha, Richland.
Richland area traffic, Tri-Pacer 2641 Alpha, taxiing North Hangars, runway 19er for northbound departure, Richland.
Richland area traffic, 74 Golf X-ray turning downwind runway 19 Richland.
Jesus. Oh my God. Looks like
Richland Champ, 11 Echo, crosswind 19
Fort Worth International over here. Look at all these planes.
Richland traffic, Skylark 8276 Tango, taking runway 19. We'll be, make a right turnout, depart area to the west.
No need to hurry because we're waiting in line.
Champ, 11 Echo, turning final, 19 Richland.
19 Richland.
You got
I got him.
Alright, we're looking, Skis 3903.
Oh, this is so nice. Getting actually to see things. All the time I spent up here, I was at like 10,000 feet. I never got to really see anything.
Tri-Pacer 41 Alpha, radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency approved.
Tri-Pacer 2641 Alpha is inbound for a full stop. We are currently 7 to the south, descending through 3,500 Moses Lake unit.
Incoming traffic Moses Lake, current way 531. Let's see if you guys could you use 16, that's what we're using right now.
That's affirmative. We heard you 161 or 45 for downwind, left downwind 16. Tri-Pacer 41 Alpha, left downwind 16, full stop, Moses Lake unit. Where'd he go?
I don't know. Not talking.
I saw him pop up and go that
There
way.
he is.
Where?
Over here. He's turning base.
Is for runway 16, Moses Lake.
See him. 12 o'clock.
Moses Lake Tri-Pacer 2641 Alpha will be number 2 behind the landing traffic. Left downwind 16, full stop, Moses Lake. Okay, landing lights up so he can see us. Left tank. Sharpie's on. Tri-Pacer 41 Alpha making left base for 16, full stop, Moses Lake. I'm looking for that other guy. Moses Lake, Tri-Pacer 41 Alpha, final 16, full stop, Moses Lake. Not too bad, huh?
That looked pretty good to me.
Yeah, not bad.
Right
Right on.
5 Lima Whiskey is going to be go around runway 16, left post.
Moses Lake traffic, Cessna 2035 Golf on left downwind for runway 16.
Cool.
Runway 5 Lima Whiskey is turning downwind runway 16 here for Moses Lake.
Moses Lake, Cessna 2035 Golf, left base to final 16, final stop.
Moses Lake, Tri-Pacer 41 Alpha, clear all active. Moses Lake. Airspeed's live. 40. 45. 50.
TriPacer 264 Alpha, Grant County approach, ident, Grant County altimeter 3009er.
Ident for 41 Alpha.
Pacer 4 Alpha radar contact at 2 miles south of Municipal Airport in your 1900.
That's affirmative. Landing light
Pacer
off.
4 Alpha, if able, no delay through 3500 for Boeing 737 and traffic capacity beneath you at 3000.
3,500, no delay, 41 Alpha.
Thanks.
I see him.
945 Golf,
Okay.
no traffic observed in the vicinity of the drop zone.
45 Golf, no traffic observed.
040, Boeing 403. Boeing 403, you come on that turn, traffic 11 o'clock and 3 miles, Pacer climbing out of 3,500, has you in sight. 403, we'll be searching for the turn.
It's gonna be cool though.
Boeing 403, 6 miles from Pelican left, heading 350, maintain 3,000 to establish on low cost. Boeing 403, we now have the traffic in sight. 403, roger, thanks. Pacer 4 and Alpha, appreciate the help.
Thank you, 41 Alpha.
Oh.
Very cool. Here in the skies with the big guys.
Iceland Air. Nose to nose with the 7-3.
We'd have lost.
I think so.
People, there is the Columbia River. Approach TriPacer 41 Alpha. If you'd like to go ahead and cancel flight following, we have the airport site.
Pacer 4 Alpha, roger. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, squawk 1200, and change advisory frequency approved. Have a good day.
1200, advisory approved, 41 Alpha, thanks. Approach area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, is 3 to the west. Approach area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha is right base 19 full stop. Approach area traffic, TriPacer 41 Alpha, base final 19 full stop.